road accident in Mukindar. Condition of 5 victims serious. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jirbon Kilingpi bringing you the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. Reports of road mishap continues coming almost regularly. The reasons and causes of the accidents may differ and the impact may vary, but there is no end to the reports coming. In a news that has come in from Pelangpi, 20 persons going to the weekly market to rations met with an accident as the vehicle they were traveling is skidded and toppled. The accident occurred at Mukindar under Jirikinding police station in West Karbi Anglong. The villagers were traveling on a roofless Tata Mobile vehicle with registration number AS02 AC 6664. They were bound toward Jengka from Mukindar. The driver lost his control on the wheels and his vehicle skidded off the road and turned turtle along the way. The 20 injured persons, which include pregnant women, who were immediately moved to nearby Keroni Model Hospital for treatment. Condition of 11 other victims has been reported to be critical, of which 5 were taken to Dipu Medical College and Hospital. However, no causality has been reported so far.
Gari ami hodai yak Mukindur pra Jengkha manubilak bojar jay ei bojar tripor kane hodai ami matu tasot aha joa kori thake kitu aji hothat eneka je ratipua gari khon pray 3ta na 4ta bajat ahile গাঁৱত সোমাই পেলাই মানুহকেইটাক ভৰাই লৈ পেলাই আহিলে লাহে প্ৰথমে গাঁৱৰ পৰা যেতিয়া এৰিছিলে তেতিয়া সময়টো ঠিকে আছিলে কিন্তু আধা ৰাস্তামান আহি পেলাই অলপ মানে বেগত মানে অলপ স্পীডত ধৰি পেলাই ষ্টাৰিংটো ফেল হৈ কিনি মানে গাড়ীটো পৰি গৈছে কিন্তু সেই ষ্টাৰিং ফেল হোৱা মানে এনেকে ড্ৰাইভাৰে জানিব লাগিছিলে যে ৰাস্তাখন একদম ভৰু ৰাস্তা যে ইমান বেয়া এইটো জায়গাত এনেকা মানে স্পীডত আহিছিলে ড্ৰাইভাৰজনে এইটো স্পীডত আহাৰ কাৰণে সেই ষ্টাৰিংটো ধৰিব পৰা নাই কাটিব পৰা নাই কাৰণে মানে পৰি গৈছে গাড়ীটো ঘটনা কেটা বজাত আছে ঘটনা ৰাতিপুৱা প্ৰায় 7টা 7:30 এনেকা সময় হৈছিল
Mohan Teron's report from Pelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live.
Nangletum hiti kahelopen kedam ningka saksak doma. Doposita matha ikri humre ignon nangletum adung het kedo Pangcho Enterprise.
Nangletum ladak longekji lake electronic goods, gift item, food item, cosmetic, water filter, sport and school item. Lasi humri ignon MS Pangcho Enterprises, Jirsong Asong Road, Rongkhela, Dipu. The APHLC candidate for the Wothat Langsu LA rejected the controversy linking him to CM Tuliram Ronghang, stating that the call was made to him before the corona lockdown. This was stated during a press conference held on Wednesday. The press conference was convened by the regional party, during which the APHLC candidate Bikram Hanse stated that the phone call was made by the CM Tuliram Ronghang before the nationwide lockdown in the year 2020. He said that he received the call as it was from an unknown number to him and in display of courtesy. He said that the matter also relates to time long before he joined the APHLC.
Labang saw video like a phone recorded a video. La saw video news channel long taklang la pen social media long dalitum thekon long. Asi radatum kapre rat cari asong tum dadu la panalang litum ta meminangan social media long so hormo share lo la panalang litum meninghang link pen chini ne pin pen ada ketok alang litum paklang kon lo asi litum pa chini kon litum la hen lo la bangso a voice record ke do la ke non head pinijong patumi jong a voice record kali la ke damtang 2020 COVID-19 la so lockdown ave chengchiak ko la so COVID lockdown chengchiak ko hadang ni Guwahati ke dohut la so CM phone call ama la so phone ni respond lo lan gan la dak pen litum thang misunderstanding ning alam thang habi.
The APHLC candidate for Wothat Langsu LA said urged upon the public to not be misled or confused with these tricks aimed at breaking the trust of their supporters on the regional party, which is a very strong party and is formidable force in the Hills district. He also urged upon the supporters and public to not become easily tricked into the falsehood of the opposition parties, which would and are tempting to employ all tricks to stop the rising force that pose a great threat to their party. Bithung Constituency President Longson Injai, General Secretary Rupon Singh Ronghang, Youth Wing President Divinson Bay were also present at a press conference. Wiki-based report from Rongtroxy for Karbi Anglong Live. As the election code of conduct are in force, the security forces have tightened checking and monitoring of people's movement across the state. During one such checking on Wednesday, the state surveillance team had seized cash worth rupees 2.5 lakhs from a person in Dilai. The cash was recovered from one man identified as Muhammad Moinul Islam of Nagaon. He was reportedly moving towards his home district when the state surveillance team stopped him at Dilai, where checkposts have been set up by the security agencies to prevent any transportation of cash money by any individual which may be used for bribing of voters or for another illegal purpose during election. It may be mentioned that the state surveillance team is conduct checking at Dilai checkposts and keeping eye on the supply of illegal liquor and carrying of cash. They have also been posted at the checkpost to prevent the supply of arms and movement of anti-social elements during these election times. Vijay Rongpi's report from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. Those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.